Will, do you mind?
Welcome to geometry.
Thank you, Will.
Yeah.
So here's what. I'm going to go as fast as I can. We don't actually learn anything new. We put it all together. So the first thing I want you to do with your little pencils and highlighters, if you want them, I will go get them because they actually make those notes really pretty if you want a highlighter. Ooh, those highlights. You can, I'm going to put them right over here if you want to get up. I'll grab them. You can grab a highlighter. They're nice. Here, do a highlight. What? Do a highlighter. Okay. Here, do a highlight. Okay. Here we go. First words I want you to write, and I want you to highlight them. If you got a highlighter, I want you to write our friend, Mr. Parallelogram. Parallelogram. I'll actually spell that right. There we go. Could you somewhere on here make a little drawing of him? And what I mean by that is a little like squished over one, like make him look something like this. Remember, we go like this. We go like that. And we just kind of squish him over. Right, that's a little parallelogram. Okay, the first thing we're going to write on those little tiny lines, sorry about that, it's so small, the 5 things that make something a parallelogram. So I'm going to give you the first one, and then I want you with your table mates to come up with the other 4 for like the millionth time. Here's the first one. Opposite sides are parallel. Can you talk to your why am I being stupid? Parallel. There we are. No, I just get in my head. I'm.
Because you know how people are like English smart and math smart?
Yes, you know what I can't do? I can't spell.
I'm opposite.
I'm a really crap. The other thing is when you're up here. No, when you're up here, I'm literally. No,
trying to find the word.
No, I do. And when I'm up here, I'm thinking of the next thing I'm saying. So often, like halfway in the middle, I'll be like, "What was I just saying a second ago?" So yeah, I get lost in my teaching. Okay, guess what? I want, you're gonna make it so we're not watching the Martian. Look at me. Okay, so here's what I want you to write. Write the other 4. Write them down. You know what they are. Opposite sides are parallel. There's other things about the sides. There's things about the angles. Write it. Opposite angles. I got that one. Opposite sides parallel. Opposite sides are equal.
That is every side is equal.
No, this is just for the general one. I think Tino gave me opposite angles. Was that you, Vic, that you said opposite angles? That's me, right?
Yeah.
Opposite angles congruent.
No, did not say that.
There's 2 more. Some about the diagonals.
Diagonals are not the same.
They are not the same. True. What do they do to each other? They cut each other in half. You got it. Diagonals cut each other in half or bisect. I just don't like that word because you don't understand that word. Ooh, and there's one last one about same side angles.
180.
That's it. Same side angles equal 180. Oh, not that guy. Equal 180. Okay. Every parallelogram in the world. And now we're going to remember for the Monday and Wednesday, we talked about fancy parallelograms. So the first fancy one I want you to write down and highlight, if you grab the highlighter from me, I want you to come over here and write down our friend, Mr. Rectangle. You want to hear something weird, Jerry?
Yeah.
I have a math credential. I also have a social studies credential.
You do?
I have both. I've never been allowed to teach.
Sorry, I like to make you.
I have a math credential and a social studies credential. But no one's ever let me teach social studies.
Why?
Because they need me in math.
I mean, like,
Because they say that, to be honest, it's not, you can find pretty solid social studies teachers, right? Like Mrs. Kernich, Mrs. Reimer, like they're amazing. Mrs. Honey, not always as easy to find people who can.
no one likes math.
True. So now every year for years I'd say, can I teach social studies? And they'd be like, not this year. I'm like, 30 years later. Okay, rectangles have all of these babies. You're gonna draw your little rectangle. I'm actually gonna make them a little bit bigger. I'm gonna draw them nice and big for you. You draw one, too. You got room. But they've got two special ones. Here comes special thing number one, and it's the most important. All corners equal 90 degrees. Every corner in a rectangle, 90 degrees. Every single one of them. All of these. So all of these things plus all the corners are 90. Does that make sense? So that's a great point. No one's watching me. Rectangle has all of this plus two special ones, right? And here they are. Draw them on here. Look, boom, little 90. Boom, a little 90. In the corners, boom, a little 90. Boom, a little 90. Love him. Then he's got one other special thing, and this is a little bit tricky. You're going to write this one down. We talked about this on Monday. His diagonals are congruent. So I'm going to write them in yellow and blue. They're the same size. That yellow guy is exactly the same as that blue guy. You know that. That's from Wednesday. That is from Monday, right? So he's got all 5 of these things plus 2 special things just for him. Okay. So far, so good. Now we're going to talk about the dude we talked about yesterday. And the dude we talked about yesterday is Miss Rhombus. Can you draw a picture of her? She looks like a diamond. Draw her. She's beautiful. Shut up. Don't make her. She's lovely. Zoe doesn't mean that she's lovely.
What?
Nothing. Okay. Here comes the 3 special things for her. She gets all 5 of these plus her own special 3. Here's number 1. Number 1 is this. All of her sides are equal. So if this is 10, this is 10, this is 10, this is 10. We know that. The next thing that happens is one of the ones I think is the most important. And I want you, I'm going to run out of room. So if you need to kind of write it down here, you can. We're going to say this. Right angles in middle. And I am going to highlight that. And I'm going to remind you what that means. Right angles in the middle. And you're like, what the hell, Miss T? I don't even have anything in the middle. Here's what happens. This guy, right angles in here. 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. Are we good? Where are you at, AJ? You need a second? Okay. Love him. So here was the difference. On Monday, we did right angles in the corners. On Wednesday, we did right angles in the middle. Last piece of Mr. Rhombus is that diagonals cut corners. That's supposed to be an R. Corners in half. So watch this. If this guy was 30, this guy was 30. And if this guy was 30, this guy was 30. And if this guy was 60, this guy was 60. We got one more shape to learn. You already know him. If Mr. Rhombus and Miss Rhombus and Mr. Rectangle had a baby, their baby's name would be Square. And you know what Square has? Square has everything. He has everything. And he's super easy. Does his corners all make 90 degrees? Yes. Do the inside make 90 degrees? Yes. Are all sides the same? Yes. Is everything 90 degrees? Yes. It's so easy. Let me just keep rolling and then you can go. Okay. Any questions at this point? Okay, so here's where this is hard. Where this is hard is this. When we start mixing them, guys, what's going to get hard is when we start mixing them together, right? We're going to have some rectangles and then we're going to mix them together. We do this for 2 or 3 days, then we review and we test. You ready? I got 3 math problems for you to do. Yes, you can. Okay. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to skip that middle part. It wasn't helpful. I did it in another class. It doesn't matter. Okay, plug in. Are we ready? So everybody's with me. I'm going to walk around. I want to see everyone. Actually, I would like everyone to actually do this even on their desk, right?
No paper.
You could do it on the paper, but I want you to do it big on your desk. So could you draw this baby on your desk for me? Could you draw that? That's just a, and change that to a 12. Oh, thank God I remembered. Oof. Change that to a 12. Oh, God, that was going to be such a bad thing. Okay, I'm watching everyone draw that drawing on the desk. Draw it on your 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 desk. And right behind you. Thanks, honey. I appreciate you. Is that out of pen? I got another box. I got fresh ones. Our last box. Oh, and I got multiple. I got.
Want a YouTube video? We're talking about. You watch YouTube and on the bus? Yes. Oh, it's not like a football bus, you know? No.
Okay, you guys ready? Let's talk about it. Okay, everybody's with me. I'm looking, Anthony should have it on his desk, Ray's writing it on his desk. Okay, here we go. Okay, so what we need, we know this. We know that's 12, 16, and that's 12. We're awesome. What we need is the guys in the middle. And what we're going to do is use the fact this is a right angle. Look at this triangle right there. Does everybody see it? Can you please, on your desk, move it down and find me this guy right here. $256, because I'm a nerd who has no friends. 16 times 16.
Wait, what? Say again?
256.
Appreciate it. Wait, 216, 144?
Yeah, 144. Ooh, I'm a nerd who has no friends. 256, 144.
Is it 400?
Yeah.
Square root.
It's so easy.
Well, square. I'm not happy with it.
Good job, Will.
Equals. You don't know, so that's
Alright,
144.
I was going like this, right? Like I would just like this on accident.
Okay, so here we go. My friend AJ is going to get those numbers together and then he's going to square root it because 400 is way too big, right? So let's put it in the little square root box. What'd you get? 20. But the whole thing is 20. So 10, 10, 10, 10. Run the board, please. Put it over there. Get those numbers up there so you know how to do it. I'm getting there. On the next one? Yeah, give me a sec. I think the next one might be a decimal. So here we go. VW, V to W right here, 16. W to X is 12. Y to W is 20. Z to X, 10. V to X, 10. How'd you do? You okay? Okay, that's easy. Here's where this gets hard. Now we're going to flip to a different shape. So if you need to look at what he needs, here's what I need you to remember. Rectangles have the right angles in the corners. Rhombuses have them in the middle. Does that help? That's the key. Try this next one. I would love it if you wrote it on your desk so I could watch you do it. Sorry. Look at you. Oh, fancy like that. I thought you said something. So it's on the next one. Yes.
Who's shot?
He's in Fortnite.
Oh, sorry. I'm so.
Yeah.
Oh.
He's in Fortnite.
So 23. 14 is 40. You got it.
I got one.
Yes.
No, like who do they created?
You're gonna get a decimal. You're gonna get a decimal.
I really don't like this.
Who owns
Yeah, who owns
Who owns the problem?
It's not
who gets
second.
the profit?
Keep going, guys.
Alright, not cool, dude.
Okay, so here's what I know. I know this guy is 23. And yeah, but it doesn't matter because we're just looking. Watch this. I know this little piece in here, this whole thing is is 40. So how much is this right here?
21.
Yes. And you use a little diagram here to find this guy right there.
Wait, so it's off. 20 square
Yes.
plus D square
Yes.
equals
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
Whoa!
Awesome. You're gonna get a little decimal. I'll give you a calculator. Get someone's calculator. You know what I mean?
Stop, Agent. Stop. That's crazy. No, I was trying to make it the best.
Nah, that was short, right? That would have been like right here.
Nice.
12 seconds.
See it? Everyone good?
Stop.
Here we go. Here we go. So good. I saw so many people doing a good job on this one. 23, 20, 20. Look at that. There's my little baby right triangle. Hey, Tino, did you do the math? Do you have a calculator? Tino, did you have a calculator?
I got you 11.4.
Okay, so here's what I'm going to say. 20 squared plus b squared equals 23 squared. Use your calculator.
I got you.
I got 11.4.
11.4, love this. 11.4 up there. 11.4 down there. I'm going to run the board. Here I go. GF, 23. HF, 20. GH, 11.4. GE, 22.8. We okay? Light work? My smarty pants girls in the back, are we good? I swear to God, like a grown smarty pants. Yes. It's in the middle this time and not on the edges.
So I'm gonna come in either Monday lunch or when it's next week to get home.
Okay, last one, best one. And then we're gonna stop and I'm gonna talk to you about something and then we're gonna be quiet. We are. Here we go. That's a horrible looking square. I apologize. I'm gonna make a better square. Can you guys make a good square that doesn't look crappy like my square? Make it a big fat little square. It's supposed to be a square. I stretched it out. When I did my thing, it stretched. I have to make it like on my computer. Don't judge me. I feel like so much judgment, so much judgment. Here's what I know. This guy's 5. That's all I'm telling you. So here's what I'm going to give you a little hint. There's a right angle. And if that guy's 5, here's what's crazy. That's 5. That's 5. That's 5. But we don't know that guy. It's going to be a little decimal. Can you figure it out? Look what you got. You got a little tiny baby right triangle right there. There he is.
Oh, I got
What?
5 squared plus 5 squared equals c squared. You can do this.
you.
Don't say it. No. Let everyone try to do it. Huh?
Yes.
Yes. Point 1. Did you do it? Do it real quick. So what's what I got? A squared? Oh, don't do that. Oh, let's try it again. A squared? B squared? C squared. Are you cool with that? Way too big though, so what do I need to do? And then it would be 0, and then our thing would fall apart. So then we add it. Is that better? 7.1. Okay. Last thing that we're going to do. Erase your desk. Write this on your desk. This is our last thing. I'm feeling good, man. I'm moving.
I've been to bar.
Okay. This is my gift to you. Watch how easy this is. Those angles on a square. Can everyone tell me what angle 6 is? 90. So here's what I want to know, AJ, on this one. It's a square, right? Think of a square in your head. How much is this going to be? The square? 90. And this guy cuts it in half. So what's half of 90? Guess what? 45, 45, 45, 45, 45. Everything's 45. You're done. Circles are 8.
We're done?
We're done. Okay.
My goodness, that.
Goodbye, friends.